So this is the Andromeda Gaming Mousepad made by Odin Gaming. It is claimed to be a control pad, but for me, I consider this a speed pad. The base is made up of a rubber and sticks on your desk decently. The stitching looks good, but not the best. I don't know how long it will last, and yeah, the surface is uncoated. Expect a pure performance, but also don't spill anything on this pad because it's not a spill proof. So when using a lightweight mouse, it feels like a glass pad. Very smooth but very hard to control. For slightly heavier mouse like this will be somewhere in the middle between control and a speed pad. So you will like this mouse pad if you love speed pads, but you will not like this mouse if you're looking for control and more stopping power. I highly suggest you clean this pad regularly because it's a dust and dirt magnet, and also use an arm sleeves if you have a sensitive skin. So that's just about it. Odin Gaming, Andromeda, go check them out.